Hey everybody, welcome in. In this video, I'm going to use AutoCAD to create the T-Clip. So I'm going to click on the Start Drawing button. And then I'm going to make sure that I have my grid is turned off. Make sure I'm in decimal units, which I am. Then I'm going to make sure that my dynamic input is off. Also, what you can do is if you go to this line, the show hide line weight, I'm going to turn this on just so you can kind of we can see our line thicknesses. So, and I'll demonstrate that. So right now, obviously we only have layer 0. So I'm going to create a new layer and I'm going to call this object. I'm going to change the color to red. I'm gonna hit OK. Let's change the line weight to like 3.5. Hit OK. So right now I'm still in layer 0. So I'm gonna close this box. So if I just draw a line, so this is a line that's on layer 0. So you can kind of see the thickness of that line. And then now if I go up to my layer properties and I double click on my object layer and then close out. Now if I draw a line, I'm just going to draw it going over the top of it. So now you can see my object layer is red and it's also thicker because in our layer properties, we changed our line weight here. So I just wanted to show you all that. So then let me erase this. I don't need that. So let's start drawing our T-clip. So instead of drawing it, this one starting at 0, 0, I'm going to go to line, L for line. Press enter. I'm going to start this at 1.75, 0. Let me zoom over. So now you can see that it's kind of to the right of our origin, which is kind of where it is on our T-clip. So from here, I'm going to draw it a line that's going to be at 1, 0. And then from there, it's going to go straight up. So that's going to be at 0, 2. It's going to go over to the left, which is going to be at negative 1.25, 0. And then we're going to go straight up from there. That's going to be at 0, 1. It's going to go over to the right. So at 3.5, 0. And then we're going to go straight down. We're just going to be kind of a mirror image of what we just drew. So I'm going to go at 0, negative 1. And then I'm going to go over to the left, which is going to be at negative 1.25, 0. We're going to go straight down. So it's going to be at 0, negative 2. And then going over to the right is going to be at 1, 0. And then from here, it's going to have this angle. So I've kind of figured out what that next coordinate is. So from there, it's going to go at 1.75, 3. And then from here, it's going to go straight up. So at 0, 1, over to the left, and negative, because we're going to the left. So it's at negative 6.5, 0. And then down, so at 0, negative 1. And then from here, I can just draw on the end of this line. So where that green box pops up, just click it. And that closes off our T-clip. And then just make sure you save it. I'm going to save as T-clip. I don't know if I already have one of these or not. I'm going to go T underline clip. Press save there. All right, so there we go. That wasn't too bad. You have to just know where the coordinates are. It makes your life easier. You might even go through before you start drawing it and kind of figure out kind of in your mind how you're going to draw this and what dimensions you need, and it helps you to create it faster. So I hope that helps. All right, peace.